Well, hello and welcome to these short Excel video tutorials on how to use some of the most important and widely used Excel features and functions. We're gonna break down the series into a few videos where we're gonna explain and cover what a VLOOKUP function does, what a data table is, how could we use conditional formatting, what is Solver and how helpful that could be. We're gonna also learn what data validation is, some if statements, and we're gonna wrap up the series using pivot tables, which will encompass basically everything we covered in the previous videos. So all of these features may sound confusing right now, but by the end of the videos it should make sense, and they are all going to help us navigate through large number of rows and columns containing data that you may see in school whenever you're doing a research project, maybe in your own business or at the workplace wherever you're working. So for simplicity, we've just created this small table containing data. It is very short in comparison to what you may be facing, but using this data we're going to move on to some videos covering the VLOOKUP functions, data tables, solver, SUMIF, pivot tables as mentioned before. Each video will contain a small task and we're going to navigate through the problem together, and we're going to see how each function helps and could simplify our lives when dealing with large sums of data. So join me for my next video and let's get this started with the very first video on VLOOKUP functions. Thank you.